Imam Hassan AS. His parents. Imam Ali AS, Bibi Fatima Salamullahi alayha. His birth. He was born on the 15th of Ramadan in Medina in Saudi Arabia. His wife and children. He had many sons, but Hazrat Qasim was the son of Imam Hassan, who helped his brother Imam Hussein in Karbala. Imam Hassan had a few wives, but the most well-known is Jodda bint Ashad. Imam Hassan's quotes: "Nice conduct and behavior with people is the height of intelligence and wit. The distance between heaven and earth is the cry of a oppressed person in the world." His titles: Al-Mujtaba, the Chosen One; Al-Sibt al-Kabir, the Elder Grandson; Sayyid al-Shababi Ahl al-Jannah, the leader of the youth of paradise; Az-Zaki, the Pure. His death. Imam Hassan died at the age of 45 on the 27th of Safar and was poisoned by his wife. His wife was paid by the evil leader at the time to poison Imam Hassan AS. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.